Why, this car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Why, it's greased lightning.
Greased lightning.
We'll get some overhead lifters and four-barrel quads, oh yeah.
Keep talking, won't keep talking.
Fuel injection cut up in chrome-plated rods, oh yeah.
I'll get the money, I'll get the money.
With the 4-speed on the floor, never waiting at the door.
You know that ain't no shit. Never getting lots of tit. Greased lightning.
Go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile.
Greased lightning, go, greased lightning.
Go grease lightning, you're coasting through the hip-lap drive.
Greased lightning, go, greased lightning.
You are supreme, the chicks are cream for grease lightning. We'll get some purple French tail lights and 30-inch fins, oh yeah. A Palomino dashboard and dual muffler twins, oh yeah. With new pistols, clubs, and shocks, I can get all my rocks. You know that I ain't bragging, she's a real pussy wagon. Grease lightning.